Hi everyone, I'm Courtney from the Moccamaster USA Consumer Relations team. And in this video, we're going to talk about why it is important to only add cold water to your brewer's water reservoir. If you were to add hot water to your brewer's water reservoir, you risk damaging the internal components of your machine, as well as warping or cracking of the water reservoir. The only way to repair this damage is to have your brewer fixed at the Moccamaster Service Center. It's also important to remember to only use a separate container when filling your brewer's water reservoir. If you were to use your brewer's carafe, you would be inadvertently transferring coffee oils into the internal components of your machine. We also do not recommend adding milk, oil, butter, ghee, coffee, or any liquids other than water to your Moccamaster. There have been some trends in recent years to add these types of products to your water when brewing. To avoid damaging your Moccamaster, we recommend adding these products to your brewed cup of coffee and not to your Moccamaster. Here's an example of a clean water reservoir, how it should look. And here's an example of a water reservoir where they've brewed coffee through. Here's some things we've seen when people have added substances other than water to their reservoir. Gross. Again, buildup like this would require a trip to the Moccamaster Service Center for a paid repair, since damage like this is not covered by your brewer's warranty. So remember, to ensure that your Moccamaster lasts a lifetime, only add cold water to your brewer's water reservoir. Thank you for watching.